craft cabinet, and today I have my two sisters here with me. Okay, you can't see my hands. I don't know. And today we are going to be doing the squishy challenge. So this is kind of something that we made up. We're outside right now. That's why the papers are flying. But anyway, yeah, we made up this thing called the squishy challenge. So we're all going to make a squishy, and we chose a group dessert. Dessert. We're each going to make some kind of a dessert. We don't know what each other is going to make, but we have
scissors.
Yes, we have scissors. But okay, so my sister on the left here might be having a channel called The Jumping Nuggets, so I'm going to call her Nuggets for this video. And Nuggets has a purple sponge here. This is what she chose to make into a squishy. And what are we going to call you for this video?
Stinker.
Stinker? Cookie, because she likes cookies. Alright. This Cookie here chose a makeup blender, and I have 3 makeup blender sponges, and we have puffy paint, and yeah, let's just get right on into the video. Okay guys, so we finished our squishies, and we moved locations because we didn't want them to stay outside. But now we are going to show you our finished results. So who wants to go first?
Me.
Okay, Nuggets is going to go first. So let me just move this. Okay.
So I made this donut.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. So here, let me move the camera.
You can see that.
There you go.
You can see the icing.
You can use both hands, you know, I have the camera.
You can see the icing dripping here, all around it and on top.
And what kind of donut is it? It looks like, what did you say earlier? Plum? It was like a grape or a plum donut?
I don't. What kind of donut is
chocolate icing?
What kind of donut is purple? Please tell me down in the comments. I really, really like to know if you know.
Yeah, that's her favorite color.
There is a hole there. I'm not sure if you can see it.
Here. Can I see it? So here is Nuggets 1. Here, can I squish it?
Yes. It's not very slow rising, but very, very fun to squish.
It's very soft. Wait. Okay, so that is Nugget's squishy. Okay.
I will go.
Now, do you want to go next, or should I?
Goodbye to all my fans.
Okay. Wow, I can't believe the donut already has fans.
Look at me closely.
Okay guys, so me, the craft cabinet, or for this video, Crafty. I'm going to show you my squishy now. So it was originally going to be a donut, but I didn't really feel like I didn't really want to put a hole in it after I started shaping it and everything. So, it's like a cake thing, or maybe
a donut with some kind of filling inside of it.
Yeah, it's like cream filled donut. And then on this side here, it says "Eat Me" in all capitals, like for Alice in Wonderland. And it's not really that slow rising. I feel like I could have done better if I used a different glue to glue the makeup sponges together, but it's kind of like a dense squishy.
Let me try. Okay, let's see what this thing has. What? It's hard in the middle.
I'm gonna try.
It's hard.
Wait.
I can't squish it any farther.
It's not.
Can't squish it any farther.
You're not supposed to squeeze it like.
Yes, you are. You're supposed to squeeze it like this.
Can't really see that.
Who cares? I'm a star.
Okay, so that's my squishy. So, do you want to go next? Well, I mean, there's no one else to go, so. Okay. For this video, we're calling you Cookie, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead and show your squishy. So, she also made a donut. We all had sort of the same idea, I guess. And it has a cute face on it.
So I was actually going to do something else, but then I made another one while I was waiting for it to dry.
Yeah. Here, do you want to show what you were going to make, but didn't really turn out too well?
You can.
I thought it was a fish, I have to say.
It's not a fish. I will reveal it to everyone.
Alright, okay, but she's gonna do a review on her squishy. Okay. Tell them about your squishy. So, oh no! Okay, sorry about that, guys. The camera kind of fell over. So, here, can I see it?
Yeah.
So, here is Cookie's squishy. Camera. Nugget. Stop it!
Nugget. Don't do that. Nugget.
Please
Nuggy.
stop. We're trying to do this.
It's nuggets.
Nuggy.
You get it right. Nuggy.
You're super
Okay, stop. Everyone, stop.
My
What?
My face glows in the dark.
We are very crazy when we do videos together, I have to admit.
That's for sure.
Okay. Now we have to show this. Okay, so here it. Squishy just fell from the sky.
Go away, you squishy.
So here is the side of it. It also has chocolate icing dripping down. Come on, camera, focus. Focus, don't focus on the rug. Okay, good enough. It's not that slow rising, but it is very soft.
It's a chocolate donut.
Okay, it looks white, but okay. Well, this side is chocolate.
Yeah.
And then
Maybe there's like,
the
maybe there's,
face
like,
on it
white
actually glows
icing.
in the dark because of the...
or at least it's supposed to. I was going to put a face on it, but I forgot to. So,
I know, there could be already a
Oh.
face on it.
Okay, guys, so we are pretty crazy when we do videos together. As you can see, the camera fell down I don't know how many times. But, I really hope you enjoyed this video. And so let's all show our squishies one more time together if we can fit it in the frame.
mine's
there they
very big.
Okay, so here's mine one more time. It says,
Here's
eat me.
mine one more time.
Apparently the donut is very famous.
Yes. At least in my world, it is.
It has its own world. It's a donut world.
It's
Okay,
the
so,
world of donuts.
okay. Okay, so then here is cookies. You have it right here.
Be able to see.
Squishy. I'm gonna kill you.
I don't think you want to kill the squishy.
No, I'm gonna kill the donut because it's alive.
Oh, don't kill the donut.
I won't kill it. Hey, I'm supposed to be in here too.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked this video. And don't forget to
Like,
Subscribe.
and tell us what you think down in the comments. Bye!